I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Happy birthday, Basha and Tito Romy.
Happy birthday, Tito and Basha.
Papa Romy, Basha, happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. I love you both and I wish you both the best of health and more birthdays to come. And I hope that with the years to pass that you would both learn and grow more as people. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes.
Happy birthday, Books! Books, maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat sa pag-alalay mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, Books!
Happy birthday, Tol.
Happy birthday, Tito Mayong and Basha.
We wish you good health and thank you for inviting us.
Ganun din, good health para sa family. Salamat sa pag-invite.
Thank you po. God bless.
Once again, happy birthday to both of you.
Bye!
Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night.
Hi, Papa Romy. I wish you a happy birthday and I wish you always stay safe. And I wish that you are always here with us. And even though you're gonna go back to the US, I still wish you a happy birthday. And I love you, Papa Romy.
Making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La, 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 la.
Happy birthday, Basha! Happy birthday, anak. Matagal kita hindi nakasama. Anyway, I'm always here for you, anak. Love you, anak. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Woke up on the right side of the bed. What's up with this Prince song inside my head?
Happy birthday, Books! Tawag ko sa kanya kasi Books, Romy. Basha, happy birthday. Tapos, stay healthy. And Romy, thank you for everything, lahat-lahat. Alam mo na yon. And Basha, study hard. Basta, Romy, tandaan mo, nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Kung ano yung papagawa mo, okay lang sa akin. Basta thank you sa lahat-lahat.
Happy birthday, Bas! Wish ko lang sa'yo good health, mag-aral ka ng mabuti, at talagang makikinig sa magulang. And happy birthday, Kuya Romy. Stay handsome, saka more blessing. Thank you sa pag-imbita sa akin at sa lahat. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa araw na to at sana hindi umulan para enjoy lahat ang kaarawan ninyong dalawa. Thank you.
Good morning and good night.
Happy birthday, Papa Romy!
Hi, mahal. Alam mo naman na mahal kita. Oh, wow, umiiyak. Pakatatag ka lang and then always positive. Iyakin ako. And then, sabi ko sa'yo, lagi lang tayong positive. Kaya natin to. Mahal na mahal kita. At saka huwag ka masyadong high blood kasi lagi kang galit sa akin. Lagi ka nakataas ng boses. Yun lang. I love you, mahal. Happy birthday, Papa Romy. We love you.
We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. Doesn't matter when. It's always a good time then. Doesn't matter when. It's always a good time then.
Happy birthday, Papa! Yun, happy birthday and gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na love ka namin and thank you sa sa lahat ng guidance and support mo sa amin and I just want you to know na maging kampante ka kasi napalaki mo kami ng maayos. Lalo na ako, obvious naman, napalaki mo ako, hindi, joke lang. Not just physically, pero sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay, naging mabuti akong tao dahil yun sa'yo. Salamat na marami and yun, enjoy this day. Sa lahat din, enjoy the day. Love you pa!
I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging.
Happy
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Papa
Papa Romy!
Romy!
Sana ma-enjoy niyo po itong araw na ito. May God bless you with a very long, healthy, happy, and wealthy life. God bless po, Papa. We love you. Happy birthday, Basha!
Ayun, so wish namin sa'yo, sana i-enjoy mo ang childhood mo and wala kaming ibang hinihiling kundi isa ka maging mabuting bata. Ayun.
Yes, and may God bless you always. God be with you always. And huwag kakalimutang magdasal every day. And humingi ng guidance kay God. At sana ibigyan ka niya ng very long, healthy, happy, and wealthy life also.
Amen.
God bless, anak. Love you.
Love you!
Yes, please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Hey, my broken pieces, you pick them up. Don't leave me hanging. Come give me some. When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing I'm living for. I wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Oh baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta get one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. You sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Yeah, I want that red velvet, I want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be a man, there ain't no other way. 'Cause girl, you're hotter than a Southern California day. I don't wanna play no games, you don't gotta be afraid. Don't give me all that shy shit, no makeup on, that's my sugar. Yes please, come and put it down on me. I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. So baby, just show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness, yeah, I like it. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Down on me. Yes please.
It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma eat what I like. I'ma kiss you what I like. It's my birthday. I'ma do what I like. I'ma wear what I like. I'ma party tonight. Goddamn, it's my birthday. Everybody love me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at me, give me money. Damn, it's my birthday. Everybody love me.
So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanya na maraming salamat sa lahat.
Sana you have fun today, tapos don't waste any moment or chance to be happy.
Oh, kiss the birthday pamasko natin. Hindi makakalimutan to eh. Iba to, kapatid ko na to. Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Basya! Oh, eto na tito mo. Oh, happy birthday, Abe. Oh, eto ng papa natin, oh.
Oo nga, baka umiyak ako. mahal na mahal kita.
Yes.
Tissue pa ba? Lahat kaya natin, basta positive lang. Lagi ko yung sinasabi sa'yo. At saka, huwag ka masyadong high blood kasi lagi siyang galit sa akin. Lagi umiinit yung ulo niya, mabilis. Pero mabait yan. Mabait yan. Thankful ako kasi pinanindigan niya yung mga anak ko. Kahit ano, naging mabuti siyang tatay para sa mga anak ko. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Huwag mo kalilimutan yan. Kahit na minsan lagi siyang sumusuko kasi minsan parang ayaw niya na. Pero syempre, andito kami. Ang dami nagmamahal sa'yo. Yun lang ang iintindihin mo. Isipin mo na, minsan sinasabi niya ayaw niya nang mabuti. Pero, isipin mo ang dami niya no, nagmamahal yan sa'yo. Kaya dapat wag kang bibitaw. Positive lang, kaya natin lahat, di ba? Lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo yun, wag kang mag-iisip ng negative, di ba? Yun lang. Thank you. Ayun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Yun lang. Thank you.
Wow, thank you po sa lang.
Siguro ano lang, mahal, lumaki kang nagpe-pray everyday and humihingi ng guidance kay God everyday para lagi kang safe, healthy, and happy.
Thank you so much, Sir Elvin and Mommy Chanel.
Ano lang, maging lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo dalawang magkapatid, yun lang, maging mabuting tao lang kayo, yun lang yung hiling namin sa inyong dalawa. Yun lang. Happy birthday, anak, I love you.
And I wish all of us will be always healthy and safe.
Oh.
Handaan tissue. Magpapasalamat lang ako sa lahat. And Kelvin, kay Chanel, Rachel, the kids, and lahat ng nandito. You know, it's very special kasi ngayon lang namin celebrate yung birthday. So, it's always me and my wife all the time. Kaya ngayon is very special. So, kaya nga sabi ni Rachel, mainit palagi yung ulo ko. So, you know, I can be rude sometimes and mean, pero that doesn't mean I love you less. So, mahal ko naman kay lahat. I mean, there are times na talagang dadating ang problema, hindi naman natin maiwasan. I just hope na, you know, we'll stay as long as we can. Kalimutan na natin yung ill feelings against each other. So it's Christmas anyway. So let's just hope na, you know, we're healthy, happy, and contented. Merry Christmas, everyone.